Today, we're talking about the Oura Ring. What's up, Superhumans? BT here. If you are new to this channel, if this is the first time you've stumbled across one of my videos, I just wanted to say welcome. I'm really stoked to have you. Today, we are going to be doing an unboxing of the Oura Ring. This is something I've had, on my watch list for a while, but truth be told, I got some really effed up fingers from jiu-jitsu, so my knuckles are super fat. I didn't think I could get one to fit, but I grabbed a testing kit. Sure enough, we found one that worked. So today, we're not going to be doing a huge review. We're just going to really be doing the unboxing, getting into the app just a little bit, going through the setup process for you, and then I've got a gamut of other fitness trackers to compare it to. That should be a fun video. So if you want to see that video as well, make sure you're subscribed. All right, we've got the Oura Ring box. It's pretty small and pretty basic because it just contains a ring. So we're gonna slide this off. And fun fact, I actually have already opened this up and tried it on. I wore it this morning for a workout, not to track anything. I haven't opened up the app yet, but I just wanted to see if it would actually work, and it did, so I'm really pumped. But this is cool. We've just got the stand, the ring, we've got the rounded square top. Anyway, it's got the flat top. They have a pointed one. Nah, square. I got it to fit on this finger. I did find one that would fit my index finger, but that just fell off. So this one feels better. But there's the ring. It's like this beautiful black tungsten carbide look. Pretty manly, I think. Here we have the charging base. So it's just USB-C. If you can see that, let's zoom in. Enhance. So USB-C, which I love. It's got a pretty heavy base. I don't know if I said magnet. I don't think it's magnetized. It's not. Battery life I heard on this thing is like 6 days, so that's pretty cool. It is unfortunate that you have to take it off, but I mean, it kind of makes sense. Like, that's one of the coolest things about the Whoop. This is a little different, but that's all you've got on. So the form factor is awesome. And like I said, I did some workouts today, like fireman's carries, things that I thought would aggravate it, and it didn't. I didn't have a single problem with it, so I'm stoked on that. Inside the box, you get your very nicely wrapped up USB-A to USB-C. Oh, look at that. It's even got their logo on there, right there. That's cute. So, I already charged it up last night. And then you get your information, important information. Please read. Nah, no thanks. I'm not a fan of when they give you quick start guides and they don't have text. I mean, this is simple enough though. How to charge. Plug it in, dummy. Oura Ring is like $300, but the thing is like once you buy it, you own it, and I like that because we all know the Whoop subscription means you never own your product. You get to keep it, but you don't really, they're selling you a service and not a product, essentially. So let's find Oura. Guys, I have a really hard time with words and spelling, pronunciation, grammar, syntax, jargon, all that stuff. We're going to create an account. I understand. I've read and I didn't read it, but I typed it regardless. Connect your ring to the charger and continue to the next step. Please make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Bluetooth, so we're gonna hit continue, or would like to use Bluetooth. It's searching, found it already, I love that. Connect, it even tells me my size. I'm a size 11. If you ever wanna send me a ring, we're gonna pair. That was effortless. We're gonna allow it to send us notifications. Connect to health, that's cool. So it connects to our health app, which is very nice. I wish Whoop did that, but they don't connect to any third-party tracking. What's your goal? Be more present and focused, be productive and energetic, improve my athletic performance, develop my learning skills and creativity, manage stress levels, improve my health. Well, I wanna do all of those. It only lets me do one. Let's see, welcome to Oura. So now we're here at our main menu. Why don't we go ahead, we're gonna click on the menu button. We've got my profile, let's quickly check that out. All right, so it just gives us all the information that we just filled out. Trends, this will be nice. Obviously it's not gonna have any, but sleep trends, there's bedtime, deep sleep latency. it's going to be pretty thick of information. We're going to have a lot of information at our fingertips, which I like. Readiness, that would just be your recovery score from Whoop. If you were trying to, like, you know, transcribe this over, it would be your recovery score. So when you wake up in the morning, it's going to give you like, hey, you're in the green, you're in the yellow, you're in the red. I'm assuming that's what readiness is. It measures your body temperature, heart rate variability, readiness score, respiratory rate, resting heart rate. I like that it does respiratory rate. I didn't know it did this. I know it does body temperature. One thing about these sensors, yes, it takes body temperature, but it's only taking temperature in a, no offense, super small area, right? So is that reflective of my entire temperature? We don't know, and that's what the next video is aiming to unpack. Pretty simple and straightforward. All right, right here on the main page, I really like it. It's going to give your activity goal progress. So it's going to give you kind of like your calories burned. It looks like you can reach your goal by walking 5.4 miles. And then you just add a workout from this plus button, and it's a take a moment. What is take a moment? Embrace the moment. Okay, all right. So it feels kind of like a meditative process that it's allowing you to just kind of dive into, which I really like, right at your fingertips. Activities, looks like we got a lot. Martial arts, they don't have jiu-jitsu. But this is also something I'm not sure if I can wear during jiu-jitsu, because it's kind of hard. I would have to tape it down. Let's see what happens. But I don't see jiu-jitsu on here, but there are a lot. Oura, if you're watching this, please add a grappling sport to your algorithm, please. All right, readiness. So here we click on readiness, and we can see what our readiness score is. It's going to give us our resting heart. Now, I haven't done a single workout, so obviously there's nothing to show here. Almost everything that you would get from Whoop, everything that you would get from Apple Watch is here. The app is really well laid out. I think this is going to be kind of a home run. It really just comes down to not just the sensors, right? So this is the thing that I'm aiming to answer in the next video with fitness trackers. I've got a Fitbit Sense coming, we've got the Amazon Halo coming, I've got an Apple Watch on, I've got a Whoop on. They all use relatively the same sensors, so what separates them? What makes one better than the other? And it usually comes down to algorithm, like what measurements are they taking and how frequently are they taking it? So right now I'm trying to contact all these companies and like, hey, I know you can't share your algorithm with me, but can you give me some better data on what your sensors are, who manufactures them, because those things I think will matter. And how many measurements are you taking per day? What data are you excluding? What data is really important to you? Because that's going to be different throughout all these. That was the quick look at the Oura Ring. I think it's going to be awesome. It looks great, feels great, and it performed really well this morning. No scuffs or anything, so stoked. Thanks for watching. Again, this next video is going to be a big deep dive into sleep trackers, and if that's something you want to see, make sure you're subscribed. Also, hit the like button for this video. It goes a long way to help people just like you also find out more details on the Oura Ring. Just hit down below. Make sure you hit that notification bell down below, because we're going to be doing a big giveaway of the Compex ire. I think that'll be next week too, maybe around Christmas. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.